my friend, Eiffel. Wait a minute. Eiffel! Eiffel, where are you? Oh, I'm late. Am I? Let's stop this nonsense and start with our volcano eruption experiment.
Okay, now, firstly, we need a plastic volcano, a plastic cup that filled with water, a stirring rod, a soup spoon, a syringe, a sodium bicarbonate powder, citric acid, and the most important is the goggles.
It could protect our eyes when our experiment failed and the chemicals burst out. First, we need the sodium bicarbonate powder and the citric acid. Open their caps. Now, use the soup spoon to scoop only one scoop out from them.
The citric acid looks like sugar but it's not, so you cannot eat it. Now, use the stirring rod to stir the ingredients that we have put. Now, use a syringe to suck up some water until the water is full, until the syringe is full with water.
Wait a minute. What? We need the goggles to
yes.
protect our eyes.
Okay.
Get it filled. Continue it.
Okay.
Oh my God! It's full of bubbles coming out. I can't believe it. We success. It's amazing. It's just like the picture in here. Oh my God! OMG.
Okay. Do you know what the cause of the volcano eruption?
Most of you do know. Today I'm going to explain it. Originally, the interior of the earth is filled with hot magma and the swollen bubble. Under the extreme pressure, the magma will break through the earth from the very weak point and spout out. That caused the volcano eruption.
Now, if you saw a real volcano that has smoke came out, you need to run as fast as lightning, or you can drive a car to escape the volcano area.
You have the car keys?
Oh, I didn't think about it, so let's skip it.
We hope that you can live a life and a comment down there, because this is a competition like school versus school over and over in Malaysia, Penang.
We need your help and your support to help us win this competition.
See you guys. Bye.